Hello YouTube, this is me with my balisong butterfly knife. I bought this a year ago at Swapper's Day for 20 bucks. I've had to do some work on the bolts and tightening them, but overall it's a pretty good knife. The second day I got it, I stuck it straight through my thumb, which I thought I shouldn't play around with this thing after that, but it just caused me to learn more and more tricks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and, well, post names of other knives and I'll take a look at them and see if I can do some pretty cool tricks with them.